Okay, this is a bench test to show a second version, a different version of refueling and how the LEDs can react based on whether a car or a lane is refueling. And it's pretty straightforward. Uh, you go into the track setup, click on expert track setup, configure, then click on LED string 1. And in here, you'll see we have the settings using 5 LEDs each, kind of a common theme that we do, but you can use any number or combination that you would like. But we have 20 LEDs, so we chose 5 for each lane. And if this was suspended over the track, it would light up over the correlating lane. So refueling 1 is for lane 1, refueling 2 indicates lane 2, refueling 3 indicates lane 3, and refueling 4, of course, indicates lane 4. So once you set all these through the drop-down menu and get it configured the way you want it, and you go ahead and click on Accept, click on Update. If you don't click Update, your changes won't be saved. Now, you want to pick Fuel Round Robin from the drop-down menu. Right now, the 3 races are come default are Fuel Round Robin, Practice, and Round Robin. Go ahead and pick Fuel Round Robin, click Start Race. We'll go ahead and cycle through the timer, the heat timer, and we set the race for 2 minutes so that it would progress quickly. And you can see what happens when a car stops over the sensor to refuel.
5, 4,
The
3, 2, 1,
the
go.
bars on the left, here are your fuel level. And as you complete laps, it will remove a certain amount of fuel. And as you get down to the point where you feel like, hey, I need to refuel, because if I don't refuel before I run out of fuel, your laps won't be counted until you do refuel. So let's just say somebody decides, okay, I want to refuel now. They stop on top of their sensor, and you can see in the tower that position 1 or lane 1 has 5 LEDs lit over it, and they will stay lit until you refuel. Lane 2 will do the same thing.
60 seconds left.
And it will light up over the given lane that it's refueling for. When it's full, it goes out. Now, I'm going to cover 2 sensors at one time so you can see what it looks like when 2 cars pit. And both lanes lights come on and are indicating both lanes are refueling. And once they're full, the lights go out. And that's basically the cycle of it.
30 seconds left.
And they just don't come on until you actually park to refuel.
20
but once you do stop over the sensor to refuel, it will light up until it's full.
Full fuel.
And then it goes out, and the light goes out, and you're ready to go
10
again.
10 seconds left.
Now, there's no race status with this, no heat leader. It's just the fuel indication. The white LEDs indicating that you're getting fuel. It doesn't indicate the fuel level like the other fuel option does. The other fuel option indicates your fuel level, where this just indicates, real simple, that you're taking on fuel, and when you're full, those lights go out. So it's real straightforward, but again, it's a feature that people enjoy, and an option that can be useful while you're racing. So I'd like to thank Dave, race coordinator. He's done a wonderful job of creating what I consider the premier race software available. There is little doubt that he's put a lot of effort into this program, and everybody in the race community is benefiting from this program. greatly, and we enjoy creating prototypes and testing them out and seeing that they meet the goals of race coordinator, and then get them produced in a way that is consumable and basically an enjoyment to use. So want to thank you for your time, and please tell your friends about Race Coordinator and Viasue.com. Word of mouth is extremely important to us, and we have many happy customers out there, but we still strive to provide a system that is absolutely unique, and there are no other systems, bar the gates, there are no other systems like the combination of Race Coordinator and Viasue.com. All right, thank you.